There's in fact a fierce battle underway between, in fact, for the Lok Sabha Speaker's post. BJP's Om Birla and Congress's lawmaker K. Suresh has filed nominations for the Speaker's election after opposition refused to back down on its demand for the Deputy Speaker's post. The Congress had placed a precondition on the BJP that the opposition should get the Deputy Speaker's post. However, the BJP decided not to bow down before the opposition and instead opted for face the rare elections. The contest is between BJP's Om Birla, who is a three-time MP from Rajasthan's Kota, and Congress's 8-time MP from Kerala's Mavelikara, who is in fact K. Suresh. The BJP has reportedly picked Om Birla to reinforce the message of continuity. So, of course, that's the latest that's coming in. A fierce battle there for the position of the Lok Sabha Speaker. Of course, there's an intense battle between Om Birla, who is, of course, the Speaker for the previous term as well. And now there's a battle between him and K. Suresh. Remember, viewers, the elections for this post are going to take place at 11 a.m. today. But for now, that's the latest that's coming in. This is how the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha kick-started with this intense battle. There was, of course, a precondition that the Congress had put forth. They said that they wanted the post of the Deputy Speaker, but BJP put their foot down and they said that they don't agree with this. And of course, now what's panning out is a battle between the BJP ruling coalition and Congress's Indy bloc, with of course Om Birla there in the fray for another term. And now, of course, K. Suresh, the member who has been the longest serving parliamentarian. So there's a big battle between these two nominations. That's, of course, coming in at this point of time. All right, my colleague Anand Singh with us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Anand, a fierce battle, a fierce contest for the Lok Sabha Speaker's post. Give our viewers an understanding on this front.
Yeah, look, a very fierce battle has come up in the Lok Sabha for the post of the Speaker after the opposition led by India bloc, that is led by Congress, has decided to field K. Suresh, an 8-time MP from Kerala. So it has been very clear that despite the fact that NDA fielding Om Birla, the previous Speaker from 2019 to 2024, the Congress has decided to field K. Suresh, despite the India bloc having only 234 of the numbers in the Lok Sabha. But it has given a clear message that it is not going to take up the fight very lightly, and it will try to corner the government in the Lok Sabha on several of the issues. So this is just of the second fight that the opposition has chosen. Remember, it was first the fight for the post of pro tem Speaker, when India bloc leaders have asserted that despite K. Suresh being the senior most MP for the 8th term, he was not given the chance for the pro tem Speaker, whereas it was Bharturi Mahtab who was elected as the pro tem Speaker by the government. Yeah. So these are the facts that the India bloc alliance partners have maintained, and that is the reason. And they also added that because K. Suresh comes from a Dalit family, Dalit background, so he was not given a chance to be the pro tem Speaker despite being the senior most. And then also when yesterday, when a condition was put forth by the India bloc partners that the Deputy Speaker post should go to the opposition as it has been the convention. But the BJP did not agree on the same demand that was raised by Congress leader K.C. Venugopal when he met Rajnath Singh, the defense minister, in his parliament office. So when the things didn't materialize after several rounds of parliament, the opposition fielded its candidate K. Suresh in for the speaker post. Back to you.
Right, absolutely, Anand. In fact, my colleague Manohar also with us on the telecast. Manohar, give our viewers an understanding on this battle that's going to take place today at 11 a.m. What is the BJP saying? What is the opposition saying? Give our viewers an extensive understanding on that front.
देखिए, बिल्कुल 11 बजे जब सेशन की शुरुआत होगी लोकसभा में, 11 बजे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ओम बिरला के नाम का प्रस्ताव स्पीकर इलेक्शन के प्रस्ताव को लेकर के आएंगे और उसके बाद इलेक्शन प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाएगा। कल भी एनडीए की बैठक हुई और अमित शाह, जेपी नड्डा और तमाम नेता मौजूद थे पार्लियामेंट के अंदर और ये फैसला लिया गया है और एनडीए की ओर से पूरी तरह से एक एश्योरेंस है एनडीए की सुनिश्चित है। और आप देखिए ये अर्थमेटिक है, आंकड़ों का खेल है और आंकड़ों के खेल में बाजी जो है सो मारती हुई एनडीए नजर आ रही है, क्योंकि अब आप देखिए से 7 ऐसे मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है जिन्होंने अभी तक वोट नहीं दिया है और एक वायनाड को राहुल गांधी छोड़ चुके हैं। तो 272 मेजोरिटी होती है, उनमें से 271 हुआ वायनाड को छोड़ करके और बाकी 7 वोटिंग नहीं करेंगे। तो अब आप देखिए 268-69 के आसपास एनडीए को या इंडिया ब्लॉक को जीतना है। अब आप संख्या देखिए, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट 292 जो है तो एनडीए के पास है, वहीं 234 इंडिया ब्लॉक के पास है। तो बिल्कुल क्लियर मैसेज है। वहीं और वाईएसआर कांग्रेस ने ओम बिरला को सपोर्ट करने का फैसला लिया है। तो पिक्चर क्लियर है, लेकिन जब तक इंतजार है कि जो वोटिंग प्रोसेस होगा तो फिर क्या कुछ रहता है। लेकिन तमाम पार्टियों की ओर से व्हिप जारी कर दिया गया है ताकि कोई भी सांसद जो है सो लोकसभा में मौजूद से एब्सेंट ना रहे।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.